All right, so you ready for this? When you live in the California desert, like I used to, you go over to a place called Anza Borrego. You go to Glamis. And when you're driving down the highway, you know what you see when you're near Glamis? You see toy haulers. You see all these RVs that have these amazing drop gates on the back, and guys are pulling out things like this. And they're loading up their family. It's like my wife wants to drive, I get stuck sitting here, my kids are in the back, then my 15-year-old wants to drive. That's what it's all about with the Momentum brand. It's all about toy haulers. And for all those tuning in right now, Mike Caudill, brand ambassador at Go RVing, and I feel like because I have this behind me, like I need to make my voice needs to be deeper.
Hey, chameleon, adapt to your surroundings.
Yeah. So this is Lance Lees. He is a product manager for the Momentum line, but specifically this new RV we're going to take a look at right now. You and I spent quality time yesterday with the Mav, and I'm excited to look at this, and I'll share that in a minute. But tell us about the all-new Mav. We're going to walk over, guys, and take a look at this. Here's your drop-down. Tell us about the Mav.
Yeah, so this is a new addition to the Momentum lineup. It's by definition a stick and tin toy hauler. So it's going to be more towable, more affordable than any toy hauler we've ever built here at Grand Design. It is very toy hauler customer centric for that Glamis customer who's out there riding and joining his family. This one is built on a wide body chassis, 90 gallons of fresh water, which is industry leading. Specific features for generator rack, VP racing jugs. You know, you got to bring a cooler so it fits a Yeti Tundra 65. So all these little things that our customers are going to be doing, it's here on the Mav.
It's all here. Okay, so here's what's unique about Lance, and we were talking about this yesterday. I have to share it again, right? When you play football, you're like kindred spirits. He was a linebacker, I was a quarterback. And if there's one thing, like there's footballs flying around, you got cornhole in the background, is that one thing about the Momentum brand is it exudes one thing, and that is fun. And we both talked about family and kids, and that's what this brings to market. Something you and I were talking about off video was the concept behind this is that you want to be able to bring a smaller package to those that expect the same kind of quality and luxury with the larger Momentum product line, but you want it to be towable by a half-ton truck. Talk about towing capability, because you're right, like there's so many big units. This is a great alternative for somebody that might not have the ability to tow with a bigger truck.
Well, the approach behind it is, 8,300 pounds, pretty much any half-ton truck can tow it. Depending on, also some SUVs, depending on which ones they are in packages. But this thing it's so simple, but it makes so much sense. With the Happy Jack bunks, you've got seating, you've got beds, you can sleep 6 or more comfortably.
Yeah. Let's go inside and check it out.
Come on.
Let's check it out. So as you make your way to the inside, we obviously gravitate towards the back. And I've never owned one of these, Lance, and I feel like I have something like this in my future, right? The ability to stand on the deck out here and enjoy this big deck area. Like, it doubles, right? It's a lift gate and a ramp to get your UTV, motorcycle, whatever it is in, and it also doubles as a party area.
It does. It also gives excellent views. So whether you're down in Key West or you're out in Glamis, you've got this big, giant viewpoint of your surroundings, and that's the whole point of going camping, is going where you mix it up and see new things.
I love yesterday you had this whole screen on here, and I think about Glamis being 110 degrees or Moab or wherever you choose. We're going to be going to Wind Rock here soon, which is in Knoxville. We're going to be. I've got a 75 Bronco, and it's a rock crawler, and we're going to take that 75 Bronco, and we're going to take it out there. The beauty is that you've got this at open night. You just have this beautiful air flowing in, and I love that functionality. I could tow this with my Ford Raptor. I'd have no problem with that. And then we have toys that we can put in the back. Look at these tie downs, guys. So I'm a big motorcycle enthusiast. I love my bikes. You could pack, man, I'm going to guess you fold this up, you could probably put 3-4 bikes in here easily.
Oh, easily, yeah.
Tell us about sleeping arrangements.
Yeah, so obviously we've got great seating. Table comes in, hanging out playing cards or having breakfast. But additionally, these roll over.
Oh, yeah. Check that out.
So this makes for a bed, has additional support. This guy, you want to help me out?
Yeah, let's do
it. So this comes down, that comes down. Now you've got a bed. So 2, 4, 6 up in the queen. Everyone's got their own sleeping arrangements. You still have a lot of floor space on the inside too, so you wake up, get your cup of coffee, you're not tripping, stepping over people.
Yeah.
When you're not sleeping, it's you're hanging out campside. This comes with a Rockford Fosgate stereo system. So powered subwoofer up there, interior, exterior speakers, you're no doubt going to be the center of attention no matter where you're at.
This screams younger audience to me, right? Like you said, Rockford Fosgate. I pointed that out when I was looking at it earlier. Like, man, you got a subwoofer mounted in the side. Like that screams like, man, let's go out and have a good time. I wanted to point this out because I mentioned this in the 2 other Grand Design videos that we talked about, is the 360-point inspection that you as a company do on all products going out the door. If you guys were to rewind the video back about 30 seconds, you're going to notice that Lance took this bed and asked me to help him. And you know what he did? He didn't gingerly put it down. He like pulled this thing down and you heard it go down. That's because they believe in the quality of their product. So let's go ahead and lift this back up. Do I come first?
You go first.
All right, go ahead and lift that up.
Oh, all the way up. There
I'm up. And now we're in.
Now we're in.
All right,
just like
perfect.
that.
And then we fold these over and they just flip in. Now you got easy access. That was less than 10 seconds.
So
all
easy.
Right, let's a little bit of kitchen amenities in here. I noticed you guys went with Furrion. We're talking high-end equipment. You got plenty of storage up top. You got a cooktop. You got a microwave down below. Is that convection?
No, it is not.
Okay, so you got a microwave down below. You got full functionality. You got a fireplace over here. Rockford Fosgate controls.
It's worth pointing out too. This is a 12-volt reefer. Comes with a 200-watt solar panel and a 50-amp
Up
controller.
top.
Yeah, so you can have up to 3 batteries. Set up that so if you're running 12-volt, running your stereo, you can also run your refrigerator.
Awesome.
And then if you want to power up a gen at night for the AC, you can do that too.
Yeah, I kind of forget about that. When you want to be out boondocking,
Yeah.
you want to reduce some of your power,
sure.
your power footprint, and that's why you're rolling a standard microwave. Makes total sense. All right, let's showcase this bathroom. It's time, Brandon. Let's do it. Does Mike fit? So does Mike fit in the bathroom? So what we're learning is almost all RV makers are providing enough headroom now for taller statured folks to get in here. A shower is always at my height. This is like a big deal, right? We're always in the campsite. You've had a long day. You want to take a nice shower. You got plenty of room to do it in here. Nice, simple, easy bathroom setup. Now we're going to check out the main bedroom. All right, there's an Easter egg in here. I feel it. I sense an Easter egg, Lance. Where is it?
It's under the bed.
Under the bed. There's your Easter egg. Most companies, guys, when they build the under storage area of the bed, they're going to wall this in. And Lance and I were talking about this earlier. They left this open on purpose. And it makes it easy for you to kick your shoes under. It makes it easy access. But I love what you said this is for. And I thought that was super cool.
Dog bed.
Dog bed. So put your dog bed right in here. Your dog now can come in, chill out, have its own little private space.
Fun fact, 86% of RV owners have a dog. Or some kind of animal.
86%. Do I have to just give it a big
Yeah,
push?
man.
It's all rugged. That's the Grand Design theme with the momentum. It's all about rugged. 86%?
Yeah.
And 90% plus of all RV purchases are actually travel trailers. So it falls perfectly in line. Lance, day number 2 with you together, my brother.
It's been fun.
It has been fun. I hope you all enjoyed this video. This will be our last of 3 videos here at Grand Design, checking out what they have to offer here at the 2022 RV Industry Open House. We are almost nearing the end, but we have a couple more videos coming your way.